Welcome back, TJ George, TMS. In this video, previously we had talked about themes, we had shared with you how to log in. In this one now I'm going to talk about plugins. So definitely, short briefing, what is a plugin? So think of a plugin as an app or a software that extend what your phone can do. Yes, your phone does not come with everything. So you realize maybe you can't view a document, you go to Play Store, download, maybe PDF reader. The same applies with your website. You realize you want to do something, all you do is you go and install a plugin. So plugins simply extend and expand the functionality of WordPress. Now our website came with some plugins which may not be relevant to the theme we have put or may be causing conflict. So all we need to do is see a few plugins that came with our website, deactivate a few which may cause problems in the future, then show you how do you get to install a new one. And when you're installing a plugin, then ensure you know what the plugin does. Because plugins are like apps. Not all apps are helpful to your phone. Just like installing one app can make your phone work slowly or perform slowly or reduces the performance rate of your phone. The same applies. A plugin can interfere with your website, can make it load slowly, or can even make it not be live, or can even make your website be prone or be easily accessible by hackers because some plugins may not be safe. So let's go through it. So you click on our menu. By now you know our menu on the top left corner, and then you go to plugins. So when you click on our menu, and then we go to plugins. So we're going to click on plugins, and the first thing we're going to click on installed plugins there. So on our installed plugins, we're going to see a few plugins that came with our site, and these are the plugins that came with our site. Some of them have been installed. So the first plugin I want you to ensure you have deactivated on your end is K-Elements. So on your end, when you go to install plugins, you will see K-Element is not down below it. If it is written deactivate, click it. Click the word written deactivate so that you can deactivate the plugin. Next, you may also consider deactivating the plugin called WP Bakery. So WP Bakery is an editor which mostly is for pro or people who are using computer and laptop. But in this case, most people uses their phone, so we need an editor that is phone friendly. So consider deactivating WP Bakery. And when you're done with that, now let's install a few plugins. Number one, I want us to click on add new. So you click on the button of add new on top there. When you click on add new plugin there, it will bring you to the library of plugins. So in this case, the first plugin I want you to install is Classic Editor. So if you don't have it, just click on install now, and then you activate. That is it. Also, you can see this plugin is used by over 5 million people. So 5 million is a trustable number, and it is compatible with our version of WordPress. It was updated 3 weeks ago, meaning it doesn't have any malwares, or it is up to date. Using an app which is long updated can also put your website at risk. So install Classic Editor. The next plugin I want to install is a plugin called Simple Chat Button. So Simple Chat Button is a plugin that connects your website, or is a WhatsApp button on your website, which when somebody taps it, they will find themselves on your website. So this is it. Simple Chat Button. So when you search on Simple Chat Button, you go ahead and click on install now, and then you activate. As simple as that. That is how to go about it. That is it. So that's how to go about it. We click on activate now. After activating the Simple Chat Button, we need to do the settings now. So because it is now installed on our site, we go to installed plugins. So we go to plugins, then we click on installed. And when you click on installed, we're going to scroll out till we reach the Simple Chat Button. So here is the Simple Chat Button. That is it. So below Simple Chat Button, we have the settings. And under the settings, we have the button there. So you click it, settings. When you click settings, it will bring you two boxes down here. So the first box is where you put in your number. So let's say there, you go ahead and put your number international format. An example. So put in your number. After putting your number, you don't put it with a plus. You put in your, no spacing, no hyphen. It is even written down there. The procedures you need to follow. It's even written below it there. The criteria you need to follow. Then there is a WhatsApp text. This is a message that people, when they tap the website or they tap the button, they come to your inbox with. So you may put there, maybe saying, hello TJ, I'm contacting you from your website, something like that. This is the message they will come to your inbox with, and we'll do a test. You will see how it comes. Then you click on save changes. That is the to make our changes go public. After clicking saving changes, we go ahead and click on button settings. Let's now change where our button will be appearing on our site. This part here may be written need help, the button text, so you go ahead and delete that. After deleting it may still be written need help, but you have removed the text that people see, so that does not read again need help, or maybe the message chat me, contact me, talk to me. We just want our icon to appear because people knows the WhatsApp icon. Next, you scroll down, and on the position you consider choosing bottom left, because bottom right is mostly for the scroll back to the top button. Yes, so click on bottom left position, choose bottom left, and then you go ahead and click on save changes. So that is how to install a plugin, and we have installed one. So now when we click on visit site, you will see that we have a WhatsApp icon on the bottom left corner. There it is. And when we click on that button, it opens a chat with us on WhatsApp. And see, we have clicked the button, and now see that. Look at that. And when you click on open it, let's say we say just once. If you're having more than one WhatsApp, it will definitely open, give you a chance to choose the WhatsApp. And in this case, you can see it have given us the WhatsApp. A message have appeared on our inbox saying, hello TJ, I'm contacting you from your website, I'm interested in what you do. So this is the message we had typed in the box, which was asking us the WhatsApp text. So that is it. That is how to install plugins, and that is how to deactivate plugins. In case you want to use any, you now know how to go about them. So thank you for watching this video. Consider subscribing if it's your first time, or a returning subscriber. Let's build a family here. See you in the next one. It was your host, TJ George, TMS.